So, naghahanap kayo ng client and then nag-reach out kayo. No? Tapos sabi nila, I'm getting good results na from other forms of advertising. So I don't need FB ads anymore. Wow, di ba? So, ano yung sabihin natin? Syempre, ang galing nila, di ba? Pwede natin sabihin na that's great to hear that your other forms of advertising ay nagpa-perform well. However, FB ads can complement your existing ad efforts and provide additional benefits. So, for example, they have Google ads, meron na rin silang email marketing, TikTok ads, Pinterest ads, or kung anik-anik na ads. And wala silang FB kasi natatakot sila, ayaw nila, tsaka bells, ganyan. Any objections, lahat na. Pero pwede mo sabihin yan. And for example, we can use FB's retargeting capabilities to target users who have already engaged with the brand, help increase conversion rates, ganyan. Paano ko yung potential buyer nila is nasa Facebook and wala sa TikTok, wala sa Google, or wala sa Pinterest and Snapchat, diba? Sayang yun. Sabihin na lang natin na, alam niyo po, by incorporating FB ads into your advertising strategy, you can diversify your marketing efforts and reach new customers. How about discussing how we can work together to leverage FB ads and help your business grow even more? O, diba, bongga yun, taray.